Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Log In. Today I'm here with another brand new video to show you guys how you can log in into your Yellowstone bank account. First of all, just go into your search browser and then go into its search bar and just type for Yellow Bank Login and hit enter. After doing so, many results are seen on your screen. Click on the first link by Yellowstone Bank. And after doing so, you'll be taken to the official login site of Yellowstone Bank, where now you need to input your username and hit on continue so that you can go on to the password section and enter your password as well so you can log in to your Yellowstone bank account. Now input your username correctly right here and then hit on continue. After doing so, another password section will be on your screen, and enter your password as well and hit on login. Then you'll be logged in into your Yellowstone bank account. That's how you log in into your Yellowstone bank account. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.